Mushroom Power Anti-Acne Skin Repair Cream is the perfect organic alternative to harsh chemical anti-acne treatments for acne-fighting performance, quickly helps clear existing acne and prevent new breakouts, eliminates facial acne, whiteheads, blackheads, and pimples, reduces skin redness and irritation, minimizes appearance of acne scarring, heals and nourishes delicate facial skin, locks in moisture, goes on smooth, absorbs quickly, feels weightless. Wear under moisturizers and makeup, use day or night. For spot treatments or full coverage advanced formula, handcrafted acne cream and moisturizer. NatureFace has harnessed the unique antioxidant power of reishi mushrooms and 15 vitamins, minerals and nutrients to support your body's natural ability to maintain clear, beautiful, healthy skin. Advanced Face Moisturizer, an acne treatment formula from a team of nutritionists, dermatologists, and skincare experts includes Reishi Mushroom, Witch Hazel, Methylsulfonylmethane, Museum, Rose Water Extract, Willow Bark, Vitamin E, Vitamin A, Retinol, Royal Jelly, Irish Moss, Aloe Vera, Silica, Horsetail, Wild Geranium, Dandelion, Organic Gotu Kola. Select Amino Acids Oil-free formula reduces ability of bacteria to multiply on the skin surface, helping to clear pores, reduce inflammation and irritation, and fight breakouts. Support your skin's natural healing and rejuvenation process with a fast-acting treatment that soothes, moisturizes and protects. All NatureFace products are backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Love this all-natural facial cream or receive your purchase price back, no questions asked. Best Acne Treatment, Ultimate Combined Acne Wash and Moisturizing Cream supports anti-acne results, skin healing and ageless beauty. Helps clear existing acne and prevent new blemishes by quickly eliminating facial acne, whiteheads, blackheads and pimples, while locking in natural moisture. Optimizes skin pH balance to help fight breakouts. Restores the protective skin barrier to maintain a youthful, vibrant, beautiful look. Discover the power of reishi mushrooms to nourish your skin. Organic ingredients. Our all-natural organic acne cream and moisturizer is developed with dermatologists and formulated with organic ingredients, including reishi mushroom, witch hazel, methylsulfonylmethane, museum, rose water extract, willow bark, vitamin E, vitamin A, retinol, royal jelly, Irish moss, aloe vera, silica, horsetail, wild geranium, dandelion, organic Gotu Kola and select amino acids. These ingredients combine to soothe, moisturize and protect your skin. Weightless, oil-free formula. This advanced anti-aging and anti-acne treatment for your skin is guaranteed to contain no harmful chemicals, no parabens, no fragrances, and no chemical hormone disruptors. This handcrafted formula acne treatment cream and moisturizer is oil-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, animal cruelty-free, paleo, and vegan-friendly. Mushroom Power Moisturizer and Anti-Acne Cream goes on smooth, absorbs quickly, feels weightless. Anti-acne performance you can trust. For all skin types, day and night, Ultra Advanced Facial Cleanser is formulated to be gentle on your skin and for all skin types, including dry and damaged, normal, and oily. This quick absorbing, weightless acne cream is ideal for clearing facial acne and spot treatment of challenged skin. Helps get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.